CrowdStrike Falcon Go. Cybersecurity should just work. CrowdStrike Falcon Go offers award-winning AI-powered cybersecurity to small and medium businesses. Organizations can replace their legacy AV with frictionless purchasing, installation, and operations in an intuitive, simplified form factor that's easier than ever for all users, including non-technical users. Deploying Falcon Go is quick and simple. A guided setup wizard expedites installation, giving you rapid protection against modern threats with the CrowdStrike recommended full protection. Download the agent and run to get immediate protection that is delivered in seconds, protecting your business against modern threats. Now that Falcon Go is deployed, immediately see what devices are protected and any threat activity with guided next steps to resolve security issues. This simple, unified homepage gives you all the context you need to understand your business's security status. Use this single view to manage protection, USB devices, deployment, and even respond to security incidents. If immediate action is required, Falcon Go notifies and guides you on next steps using the to-do list. Falcon Go notifies you that a file has been quarantined, meaning Falcon has taken action automatically to prevent a malicious event. Navigate to the Next Gen AV tab to manage protection across your devices and see information on detections and quarantined files. With a single click, respond to files automatically quarantined by CrowdStrike based on your prevention policies. WannaCry, a highly destructive type of ransomware, has been stopped and quarantined by Falcon. Delete a file permanently or release quarantine files so you stop threats, not your business. CrowdStrike provides the recommended full protection level out of the box. Additional levels with detailed descriptions are provided, simplifying your business transition to modern AI-powered protection. Next, instantly view USBs in use with the USB Control tab and mitigate this common risk area for small businesses. Simplify management of allowed USBs by using built-in controls to lock down USBs while still allowing those you approve of to run. Then, use the Devices tab to confidently ensure that all your devices are secured by CrowdStrike and deploy the agent to more devices as your environment grows. Guided installation, as seen earlier, simplifies ongoing administration so you can easily change or add devices in minutes. Next generation protection for your small business. That's Falcon Go. Visit our website to buy Falcon Go now and enable your small business to stop modern threats.